In this video, I will show how to create a landing page in CorelDRAW. So without any delay, let's start. First of all, I create a new document to click there, and I take 1280 and 720 pixels and click OK. I click on the rectangle tool, double click, and fill white color and outline do in gray. After that, I will select pen tool and draw something, and connect to this point. Fill some color in the shape and press Ctrl and click blue color. I will remove outline to right click in this place and right click on the shape and do power clip inside and click blank area like this and press Ctrl shape and adjust and click that place. I create one more shape with the pen tool and select color eyedropper tool and click fill in this shape, then outline from there. I will rotate and adjust like that. I will little big like this and I will select okay. After that, I will create a circle to left tool and click right click, power clip inside and click, press Ctrl to keyboard and click in the shape and adjust according to design and fill anything color you want and do right click and click on behind like this. Remove outline color from there and I will import one image that place and I will open landing page folder and I will import this photo like that and right click and do power clip and click on the circle and we will adjust photo like that. And here is the content. I will open and first of all I will copy and select text tool and do paste. I will select font railway thin font, extra thin. I will copy cell and paste and select railway black. Do bigger font, copy offer only today, paste, select light font of railway and adjust according to our requirement. I will select medium font and I want to fill in this text this color. So select color eyedropper and click on the photo and fill in the text. And again select color eyedropper as and choose this color and fill in the summer text. And in this text I will fill gray color. After that I will select this text and select text tool and create drag to make the chain and paste into the chain like that. Do Control A, select all the font, all the text, and select font size 6 font and select light font and do gray color like that. Font size should be small. Press Ctrl and press F8. Chain will be removed and I import all the clip arts and step by step I drag it and select all the text and do up and reduce little bit and click on the Facebook icon, right click and do trace and fill in the fill color black. I will select rectangle tool and make rectangle and select shape tool and little bit rounded the shape and select color eyedropper, select this color and fill in the outline and go to text and select buy now and paste it. Do reduce or fill color same as it is. And select all the icons and reduce little bit and adjust and select leaf icon and right click and do trace. Click on the leaf and do power clip and fill the same color like that and copy once more time to copy leaf icon and select transparency tool and click uniform transparency like that. You can see a little bit lighter and select the ellipse tool and make circle and click right click and Control R and select all the circles and do group and to Control G and select and reduce and you can adjust according to you. and select transparency tool and do light little bit. Like that, and do reduce. Do F4 and F9 to full screen preview. So we will meet the next video. Be creative.